Sail on, silver girl, sail on by. Your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on their way. See how they shine. Oh, when darkness comes. Okay, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. Ikado BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello.
BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show.
And today, I was thinking, should we talk about the medicine wheel?
Oh, yeah. That's a good idea.
You know, in Anishinaabe, Moan, in the Ojibwe language, for the medicine wheel is a very sacred thing. We call it the Mushkiki de Tibisade, the medicine wheel. And it represents a lot of things, doesn't it?
Yeah, it sure does.
You know what I should have done? I should have grabbed a medicine wheel. Do we have one around here? No, we don't.
I don't think we do.
You know, what am I doing?
Online.
I'm going to lecture on what a medicine wheel is. Mushkiki de Tibisade. I'll put up a graphic. You can, I don't know, people know what it is. But here's the application. This is what I'll talk about. Here's your application. You know, a lot of people go, oh, look at that. It's a medicine wheel. It represents the 4 directions, yada, yada. And it's true. It represents a lot of things in 4s. Everything's in 4s. You know, the 4 directions, the 4 seasons. There's the 4 stages of life. There's the 4 medicines. What else? And the 4 states of being. So let me talk about that a little bit. Okay, this is for the kids. I mean, I know grown-ups have problems too, but if you're feeling bad, right, go, draw out a medicine wheel. And in each section, write down the 4 states of being. You got your physical, your mental, your emotional, and your spiritual states of being. And what the medicine wheel kind of talks about is that if you're not just crushing it, as they say, as the bears say, if you're not, where you want to be, if life seems hard and you're full of depression and anxiety, there's probably something in those 4 states that's not, not full, not where you're not doing well. Mm-hmm. So like, let's say, oh, geez, I feel bad. First, look at the physical. How am I physically? Am I been eating good foods? Do I have enough vitamins? Most of us in Minnesota, we don't get enough vitamin D.
Yeah, huh?
Have I eaten too much sugar and caffeine or whatever? And mark it, If you're good physically, then that's not your problem. If you're a good weight and you get enough to drink and eat, then move on, how am I mentally? What am I thinking about? Am I, am I filling my mental mind with all kinds of negative thoughts? Am I angry at Trump? Do I watch all these scary movies and just fill my mind with horror?
Right.
Do I have the coronavirus? And then so you got your physical, and then your mental, and then your emotional. What are my emotions? Sometimes, especially when you're a kid, a lot of you kids, you think you're angry, but you're really just hungry.
Yeah.
But sometimes it's like, okay, what am I feeling? Oh, I'm so angry that everyone's making me mad. Or, are you actually sad? Did something bad happen, but, you don't know how to be sad, so you just get angry at people. You figure it out. You got to look inside. What are my emotions? Am I scared? Be brave. Am I mad at everyone, or am I scared that something bad's going to happen? And then what's the last one? Spiritual. Oh, I could talk on this all day. What is your spiritual life? Do you have any? What does it mean? And I'm not just talking about what do you believe? Are you connected? Everything that's not material is spiritual. So if it's not about your car or your clothes or how much money you have, all the rest, what's going on there? Do you have love in your heart? Are you connected to the Creator? Do you pray? Do you have gratitude? These are spiritual things. A lot of people, they're suffering because they have no spiritual feelings.
Yeah.
They just have material feelings. Like, oh, geez, I just want to get stuff. If I just had a new phone, then everything would be okay. But, so there you go. Those are just that's just one aspect of the Mashkiki de Tibesade. Physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Maybe next time we'll get into some other aspect. The 4 stages of life. I don't know. Oh wow, this is getting long. I'm gonna sign out. Hey everybody, thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin! Minawa!
Oh,
Oh!
I'm in a weird mood.
I don't know, I thought that was kind of cool.
You can dance if you want to. You can leave your friends behind. Cause your friends
Don't dance, and if they don't dance, well, they're no friends of mine.
I say. La 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 la.
Do 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 do.
The night is young and so and so was I.